Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math Problems number 4.
Math Problems number 4. So today we're actually getting started for real, and we're both good guy, right?
Yeah.
Good guy. We're getting started for real today on school. So we're starting our Outer Problem Solving's Prealgebra book.
Yep.
And this was one of the examples in the beginning, in the first section about addition. And we're talking about the commutative and associative property, right?
Yeah.
So this was a good problem, I thought. So tell me how you thought about this problem. While you're doing that, I'm going to get an eraser.
Well, I thought that if you grouped all these together, you would get something, and then
Well, what do you get when you group them together? Not just something. You get.
well, you get 160.
Right, that was the answer. But what do you get? Like when you group the 2 and the 8 together, what do you get?
You get 10.
Okay, so you get a 10 from the 2 and the 8. What do you get from the 12 and the 18?
Well, you get 30.
Okay, how about from the 22 and the 28?
50.
50. And what about from the 32 and the 38?
Then that's 70.
Awesome. So then we just have to do 10 plus 30. Oh, my marker's not so good. Plus 50 plus 70. And you said that was 160?
Yeah, but I did it I added them up into 80s.
Oh, first you added them up into 80s. Okay.
Then you get 160.
Nice. Okay, high five. Now, here's what why I wanted to do this one for our movie today. Is there a different way to group this to make it even easier? Okay. Ooh, so sometimes there's more than one way to group it. See if you can see. And in fact, you have the only good marker, so you gotta do
What
it.
if you do 2 plus 38?
Ooh, what if you did that? Then where would you match the 12 with?
28 and 22 with 18 and 32 with 8.
Okay, let's see what happens. What do you get when you mash the 2 with the 38?
You get 40.
Okay.
When you mash the 12 with the 28, you get 12. It was 12.
12 plus 28. What's that going to be?
Well, that's going to be 40 also. Wait,
Interesting. What about the 22 with the 18?
that's going to be 22 with 18. That's going to be 42. And the last one will be 80. You group them with 80.
Well,
you get
32 plus 8 is the last one. Let's not jump ahead. What is 32 plus 8?
40.
Ah.
You group them into 80s. Get 160.
And that was a really easy way to group them, right?
Yeah.
So you just flip them and group them. So there's lots of clever ways, and if you just spend a little bit of time ahead of time, figuring out sometimes how to group, sometimes you get really cool answers, right?
Yeah.
All right, was that fun?
Yeah.
You like learning about the commutative and associative property?
Yeah.
All right, high five again. Good job this morning, huh? Good job.